Hello, and welcome back to Down the Shore Homestead. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for your support. And if you're new to the channel and you enjoy this content, then please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and hit the bell notification so that you get all future videos. Today's video is going to be how to make homemade foaming bath soap. My grandkids have been asking me for the foaming bath soap that you use in the bathtub. I didn't want to buy the commercial brand names because they're full of chemicals. So I'm going to show you all how to make foaming bath soap for your grandkids or for your kids that's a healthier option to the bath soaps that you can purchase in the stores. So stay tuned, and as we say around here, let's go down the shore. Thanks for sticking around. This recipe is so easy. All you have to do is get a foaming soap container. This pump makes the soap foaming. If you don't have this pump, then it won't be foaming. You would have to put glycerin in this, and I didn't want to put glycerin in my soap because my grandkids will be using it. I will put in the comments below the recipe that includes glycerin, but in this recipe, I will not be using that. One foaming pump soap container filled 50% with water, and I used distilled water. And then you need some pure Castile soap. I got the baby version. It's unscented because, again, this is for my grandkids. But if you want to buy the scented kind, you're more than welcome to use the scented kind. If you do use the scented kind, you won't need the next ingredient, which is essential oils. And I'm going to use lemon. So again, all you have to do is add 50 to 60% water, depending on how foamy you want this to be. You add 20% oil. I'm just going to eyeball that. And then you add your essential oil drops. I would say probably about 15 to 20. And the rest of the ingredients are air. And that's what causes the foaming. So you put your lid back on and you shake it up real good. And as you can see, we have foaming soap. Now I'm going to add some food coloring to this, but it's a special food coloring. I bought all natural food coloring so that it won't stain. So all you have to do is pick whatever coloring you want and just add a couple drops to your soap. Give it a good shake again. It didn't really change the color of the soap much. This food dye, does not stain. I'll show you here in a second. So I just rinsed off my hands, and as you can tell, there's no food dye left on my hands. That's the reason why I went with the food coloring that I purchased. Obviously, it's not changing the color of the soap, so I have to go back to the drawing board for that. However, it smells amazing. I think the kids are still going to love playing with the foaming soap. They can use this for shampoo or regular soap to wash their bodies with. It has no harsh chemicals, and they'll have fun playing in the bathtub. So hopefully you'll try this recipe out yourself. Okay, so I got to do a little update to this foaming soap recipe. After some trial and error, I figured out that the Color Garden food coloring, you can't just use a couple drops. You have to use the entire package in the soap. So as you can see, it's yellow instead of white. So it does work. I'll put a link below to the Color Garden food coloring that I got. You can test it out with anything that you would like. So hopefully you enjoy this, and hopefully your kids and grandkids enjoy it as well. Thanks again. Oh, and don't forget, Rocco patiently waits for me to make these videos for you guys. So put some hearts in the comments below for him so that he knows that you guys appreciate him. Rocco, have you been patiently waiting for mommy to finish the video? Rocco, have you been patiently waiting for mommy to finish the video?